Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Tronic rechargeable fast battery charger for battery types 3A, 2A, C, D and 9 volt. Compatible with NIMH batteries and NICD batteries. Negative delta V cut off, not possible to overcharge batteries. Timer shut off after 17 hours with a 3 years warranty. LCD display indicates charging status, faulty battery, discharge function, pre-charging, batteries charging, batteries fully charged. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have and the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. With a cable length 1.5 meters, the display, here you can install the 9 volt batteries, and here we have the load slots for all the other batteries. We have in the diagram, here you can install 2A and 3A batteries only, and at this slot, 4 slots, you can install all the other type of batteries. Okay, nice. I don't have 9 volt batteries or the other type, so let's plug it in. And it's charging. At the display we can see the charging process. We don't have any time to indicate how long we need to wait or to see the voltage, the amps, some other values. My batteries are fully drained, so I will wait how long it will take to charge my batteries. Some informations at the back. Output 6 1.2 volt, max 1000 mAh, 500 mAh for type 2A and 3A, 4 1.2 volt max 1000 mAh for type C and D, and 2 9 volts 6 mAh 9 volt block with a power consumption 25 watts. So let's wait how long it will take to charge these batteries. Finish! Everything is charged. It's an excellent choice for efficiently charging your household batteries while maintaining safety and convenience. For charging all these batteries, it takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Whether you are powering toys, remote controls or other gadgets, this charger ensures you are always ready with fully charged batteries. With its efficient charging speed, intelligent safety features and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants reliable power for their devices. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more reviews on smart gadgets, home essentials and tech tools. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay powered, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.